You're watching the Weiss channel. Today I'm talking to you about simple probability. All right. For example, Julia has a bag with orange Skittles, strawberry Skittles, and lime Skittles. She randomly removes a Skittle from the bag, records the flavor, and puts it back. Julia does this 40 times. The results are orange 25 times, strawberry 12 times, lime 3 times. Based on these results, express the probability that the next Skittle chosen will be orange as a fraction in lowest terms. So, out of 40, orange was 25 times. So you put 25 over 40, but you have to reduce that to lowest terms, which is 5 over 8. Okay. How about lime as a decimal to the nearest hundredth? Well, you take 3, because lime is 3 times, so you're going to get 3 over 40. What's that as a decimal? 3 divided by 40, or 0.75. The nearest hundredth would be, the 7 is in the hundredths place, so that's going to round to 0.08. Strawberry is 12 times, so strawberry as a percent to the nearest whole number, 12 divided by 40 is 0.3. That would be 30%. If you're doing delta math, you will not have to put the percent sign. Okay. Marcel owns a Nike store. Last week, 59 customers paid cash, 31 customers used a debit card, 19 used a credit card. Based on these results, what is the probability that the next customer will pay with cash as a percent to the nearest whole number? So they don't give you the total number of customers, so you have to add 59 plus 19 plus 31, which gives you 109. So 59 paid with cash. So what's the probability that the next customer will pay with cash as a percent to the nearest whole number? 59 divided by 109 is 0.5412844. So that's going to be, you move the decimal 2 places, right? 54%. Just put 54. How many use a debit card as a simplified fraction? 31 out of 109, that does not reduce. So you just leave it as 31 over 109. Credit card as a decimal to the nearest thousandth. Okay. 19 divided by 109 is 0.174311193. To the nearest thousandth would be 0.174. Christian recorded the grade level and instrument of everyone in the middle school of rock. Okay. Express the probability that any student plays bass and as a simplified fraction. So since it doesn't say 7th grade or 8th grade here, then you have to add all the students. So if you add all these numbers and all these numbers, you'll get 57. So how many play bass? You take 4 plus 15 and you get 19 out of 57. But that's a simplified fraction, you need to make that 1/3. Express the probability that a 7th grade student plays drums as a decimal rounded to the nearest hundredth. Okay, so now we only deal with these numbers because it said 7th grade student. Drums is 7, and if you add these together, you get 19. So 7 out of 19. 7 divided by 19 equals 0.36842105. To the nearest hundredth would be 0.37, right? Because that's 6 has an 8 next to it, rounding it up to 0.37. You've been watching the Weiss channel.